In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Microsoft Word comments efficiently and quickly, whether you're cleaning up a document for final submission, preparing to share it with others, or simply want a cleaner look as you review your work. This tutorial is tailored to guide you through the process in about 5 minutes. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage and let's dive in. We begin at the very start, opening Microsoft Word on your PC or desktop. For most of us, this step is as simple as locating either the Word icon on your desktop or searching for it within your Start menu. Once you've opened Word, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to select a document to work on. You can either click on Blank Document to start fresh or open an existing document where comments have been made. Opening an existing document could involve navigating through your recent documents list within Word or browsing your computer for the specific file you intend to edit. This process is highly intuitive and should feel familiar to anyone who has used Word even a handful of times. The main focus of our tutorial, of course, is removing comments from your Word document. To do this, you'll need to locate the comment icon. This might seem daunting at first, but let me assure you it's quite straightforward. Word's interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The comment icon typically appears in the Review tab at the top of Word's ribbon, which is the toolbar that runs across the top of the application. Once you've clicked into the Review tab, you'll find the comment icon nestled among other review tools. It often looks like a speech bubble, easily recognizable. Upon clicking on the comment icon, you'll find yourself faced with the Comments pane. This is where the magic happens. You should see a list of comments made throughout the document, along with options for each comment. For our purpose, we're interested in the Delete option. This might appear as a small X, a trash can icon, or simply the word Delete, depending on your version of Word. Clicking this option will immediately remove the comment from your document. While the process seems simple, and it is, there are a few additional tips I'd like to share to make your editing experience even smoother. First, if you have several comments in a document and you're looking to remove them all, rather than deleting them one by one, you can usually find an option to delete all comments in document within the same Review tab. Using this option can save a significant amount of time, especially in heavily commented documents. Moreover, it's important to understand that once a comment is deleted, it cannot be easily retrieved. So before you start removing comments, make sure you've reviewed them all and incorporated any necessary changes into your document. It might also be wise to keep a backup copy of the original document, comments included, just in case you need to refer back to them later. Lastly, why might you find yourself needing to remove comments? The reasons are varied. Perhaps you finished reviewing feedback from a colleague or professor and have made all the relevant changes. Maybe you're preparing to submit a document for publication or grading and need to ensure it looks clean and professional. Or you could simply prefer to remove clutter as you work through revisions. Whatever your reason, knowing how to efficiently remove comments is a valuable skill in your Word toolkit. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to remove comments in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your document editing process a bit smoother. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you find yourself dealing with comments in Word. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.